Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here showing you how to recreate this everyday basic glam look. If you guys want to see how I recreate this look, then keep on watching. 9 times out of 10, this is what you get. Hair unbrushed, filled with dry shampoo. My wings are not even at all, period. It's usually a crop tee and a flannel for me. It even gotta be Friday, which is flannel season. Here we are. I will be sure to list all the products that I use down below so that way you can recreate this look, which I don't know why you would want to. It's very boring, very basic. It's not gonna look cute, but it'll look cute at the end, I promise. I like to go in with my holy grail product, which everybody has been obsessing with over on TikTok, and it is the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. This stuff is literally life-changing. I like to put it in the areas that I do show the most redness, which is usually within my cheeks, a little on my nose. And the secret with this is pressing it into the skin. When you press it into the skin, it neutralizes whatever redness you might have. Sometimes I won't even put on foundation and I'll just put this on. It completely neutralizes and gives your skin a really good base to work with. I'm gonna go in with a primer, and I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. I've been using this for a while. It's made a favorites video. I like this because it does mattify the face while also kind of filling in whatever pores I have. So I like to put this in like where my pores are really big. For my everyday look, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This has been a favorite for forever. It's something that I will always go back to. I'm gonna take my dirty sponge and I'm gonna put this on my face. And I like to take it down my neck so then that way you don't have cake face. I don't know what that is. Brighten the face a little bit, being that that foundation color is a little too dark for my usual color preference. Your girl also hasn't self-tan in about a week and a half, so. The cult favorite, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. I am in shade color 20B Light, and I'm going to take this along my under eye and just brighten up the areas like the center part of my face where the highlight would be. And I'm just gonna take the same beauty sponge I was using before. So now that I have my face brightened and concealed, I'm gonna go in next with my bronzer. I have been using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, cult favorite. It's been a favorite of mine for forever. This is quickly becoming a cult favorite video. When it comes to my contour, I'd like to hollow out these cheekbones a little bit and just kind of lift them. And then I like to go along my hairline and then alongside my nose. And then I try to work my jaw as best as I can. One trick that I have learned is that you brush up with your bronzer so then that way it doesn't look muddy and cakey. I'm really happy with how my nose contour came out today. She looking snatched. She's cute. Like a little button. For my blush, I'm going in with the Maybelline Cheek Heat, and this is in shade 15 Nude Burn. Apply it on my fingers and just apply it right to the apples of my cheek, one side being heavier than the other, but that's fine. Going in with my beauty sponge and just blending it in. The thing I really like about that blush is that it's so easy to blend and manipulate into the skin. You're not gonna have that like stark red rosy cheekbones.
I want to see your cheeks glow red.
It's very neutral, it's very flush looking, it's natural. Now that my face is pretty much all set, I like to go in and set my face first before I jump any further in my makeup routine. I'm using the Set and Refresh Mist by MorpheXJeffree Star. It smells like 21. Don't taste good, that's for sure. Let's do my brows next. I almost got a little bit of a bald spot right here. I just want to cut it. Stay tuned for my next video to see if I cut a crease in my brow. I should just cut a slit, it would be so bad. Do it! I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I think I am in shade number 3. I really like this one because it is so narrow pointed that it just makes it easy to like get in there. I just like to go in and fill whatever bald spot I have and just extend the brow a little bit more because this one is shorter than the other. So I just like to fill them in. I just follow my natural arch and then swoop it in, down. And I always overdraw my brows just a little bit to give it a little bit more length. And then cut at the top, making the 2 points meet for a drink or two. So I don't like to lay a lot of product in my brows, so I'll just take a spoolie brush and brush it in to see where I need to fill in and kind of disperse the product a little bit more so it looks a little bit more natural and you don't have those really stark like Cara brow. The next thing I go in was just a clear brow gel, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I have a hair tickling my cheek. Oh, it's driving. Oh, I see it. Get. Oh, you're attached. Oh, we got sad brows going on today. Yeah, they're sad that they look so bad. Even though we're not using a ton of shadows, I always go in with an eyeshadow primer just because I don't know if you have ever noticed this about your girl, but she has extreme veins above her eyelids. And I have been asked if I wear blue eyeshadow or if like I'm okay because my veins are very apparent in my eyes. Just to negate it all, we like to go in with an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, people come to my channel for the fart jokes. One of my favorite things to do is just a very neutral glam eye. I like to use as minimal products as I can, especially if it's those mornings that I wake up late and I gotta like dip and doodle. I don't even know what palette this brush came in, but it's a double-ended brush, and I'm gonna go in using the bronzer color that I used, and I'm going to just cut a very simple little crease just to give my eye a little definition. Apply it just in the crease, brushing it out and fanning it so that way it like lifts up. I've had this eyeshadow for forever. I couldn't even tell you where I got it, but I like to go in and use a gold shimmer shadow just to really play off of the colors in my eyes. We're gonna get close for comfort here. If you look in the color of my eyes, there's a lot of gold reflected. And I just pop that right onto my lid. Any champagne gold shimmer will do this. That's it for eyeshadow. It's that simple. Maybe get the product first before you're wrestling around with a small bass. What I deem to be basic winged liner, and I am using the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. I think mine is in shade color black, and because I can't do this on camera, I'll be right back. So now that my wing liner looks like trash, hi, I'm trash. Why does it look bad? Because I didn't even fill this shit in. Oh, never said I was good at makeup. Bro, I just left that unattended. Wow, she's brave. Oh, she's so brave. Look at her bravery. Should never be duplicated. Put it down before you really mess it up. Do some curls for the girls. So it's time to play my favorite game, where we let fate decide my mascara. I take all of them and I put them on my counter because I am an adult and I am an adult and do adult-like things. Pick a number 1 through 8.
It's 3.
Oh, good. I like this one. One of my favorite lash mascara, as opposed to another kind of mascara. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte Cosmetics Light Camera Lashes, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I almost did it again. Am I the only person who does this, where I start with, and I have a favorite eye that I start with. It's usually my right. Because the right eye, it's just like, it's the perfect eye. This eye is wonky. Fun story. I fell on a set of parallel bars when I was in the 4th grade, and I shifted my orbital bone. So that's why I can only wink with one eye and not the other one. So my right side is my good side. Like my right side is like the side you gotta catch me on. Catch me on the left side, I'm looking like an ogre. Just saying. Bothering me. Can't y'all see I'm busy? Bumble. I have a new match. I obviously being, that's danger. SOS. Don't do that. Don't do what I do, kids. Don't be like me. Reconsider. Since your girl is on a lot of dating apps now, she has been becoming more experimental with pickup lines. Especially Bumble, because a girl has to message first. Some of the responses sis has gotten from some men, I'm telling you mamas, because y'all nasty. I do applaud some of the creativity in the responses these men give me. I love a good cheesy pickup line. I don't know about you guys, but I do. If you have, on your lash, not your nose, if you've got the kahunas to use a cheesy, I'm talking Gouda, Brie, Havarti, you doing the most cheesy pickup line, there is a good chance that I will talk to you, because if you have the confidence to approach a woman with the cheesiest, gooeyest pickup line, pitter patter, let's get after my heart. This is coat number 2. We're gonna do about 17. So strap in. I can live with that. That looks all right. I think she's really dried out because it took almost everything to get what I got out of her. May we say a prayer and play taps as we lay her to rest. Thank you, Lights, Camera, Lashes. You have been a favorite. You have performed your services and you have served honorably. So thank you. Hi, I'm back. With an everyday look like this, I'm gonna tend to grab just maybe a chapstick, but because we're doing a YouTube video, we're gonna go in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics The Gloss. Last but not least, I like to double set my face, and I'm gonna go in again with my setting spray and just set her. It smells like white trash, which I am just white trash enough. I can get away with using it. No tea, no shade to Jeffree. I'm just saying it smells like a little trashy, which we all are. 2020 has made us that way. This is my everyday makeup look. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. It's like I like to change my look. That's a bloop. I don't know. Really glad this is the end of the video. Oh god, it's not my shirt. Don't look. Don't look. That's why we wear flannels, to hide our mistakes. Usually we wear flannels to hide our mistakes because we've gained 15 pounds in quarantine. Or you're an idiot and you spill water on yourself. You didn't want to get lip gloss all over it, but then I ended up getting lip gloss all over it anyway. The real reality is that I'm actually a boy, just dressed as a girl. It's 2020, I'm not judging. I'm just saying what's up. What is this? Good afternoon. Go to the short week for the holidays next week. This is a very dangerous position for you to be in. For GD, sir. Sure, sir. I hate filming in my bathroom because my back hurts. I only just walk around like Quasimodo all day. It's fine. So. I should call him. Oh, that's really secure in the wall. Dirty bears. That sounded so gross. Why can I not talk today? Go in with this holy gal. My mom. Hi, Mom.